on and draw your attention to what transpired in the state of Maharashtra on Thursday, because it is not an incident that you get to witness every day. This is WWE. And this is the Maharashtra edition. Let's get you in detail. The video there on your screens. This is not a group of street goons. These are political workers of the BJP, of the NCP-SP. And the venue of the clash is the Maharashtra Assembly, no less. Workers of the BJP and the NCP-SP clashed inside the premises of the Maharashtra Vidhan Bhavan after tensions that came head-to-head between the supporters of the BJP MLA Gopi Chand Padalkar and the NCP-SP MLA Jitendra Awad. Now, after heated spat at the gate of the Maharashtra Assembly, where the NCP-SP leader Jitendra Awad leveled a Mangal Sutra thief jibe allegedly at the BJP leader, that is what it led to an all-out clash between the members of the two political parties. Jitendra Awad also had gone on to call this as a plot to kill him. Now let's tell you again what happened in the Maharashtra Assembly to relive that very moment.
जमा करा पास घेतलंस ना सगळं
So you saw the visuals, you heard what happened. Of course, some areas that had to be beeped out. But when it comes to the BJP MLA involved in the controversy, Gopi Chand Padalkar has now called the incident as unfortunate, while the NCP-SP leader Jitendra Awad has gone a step further, saying that it was apparently a plot to kill him.
ये दुर्दैवी घटना है। मैं महाराष्ट्र के विधानसभा के अध्यक्ष मैं दिलगिरी व्यक्त करता हूं, माफी मांगता हूं। हमारे जो लीडर है इनके साथ मैं बात करके
मैं कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहता हूं, मुझे कुछ बयान देना नहीं है। अगर मकोका के आरोपी आके अंदर बैठने वाले हैं और मुझे मारने की प्लानिंग फंस गने के बाद अगर मेरे कार्यकर्ताओं को मारने वाले हैं, तो इससे बड़ी गंदी हरकत क्या हो सकती है। मेरा भाषण समाप्त होने के बाद मैं बाहर चला गया और मैं बाहर जाने के बाद जैसे ही उनके ध्यान में आया कि जितेंद्र अवार्ड तो नहीं है, तभी उन लोगों ने जाके निकल।
Now, the Chief Minister has also condemned the clashes and has urged the Speaker to take immediate cognizance and take necessary action. Others in the NDA have called these clashes as a violation of the decorum in the State Assembly.
घडलेली घटना अतिशय चुकीची आहे। अशा प्रकारे इथे घटना घडणं हे बिलकुल योग्य नाही। या ठिकाणी माननीय अध्यक्ष विधानसभा आणि माननीय सभापती विधान परिषद यांच्या अंतर्गत येतो।
This is not at all acceptable.
आणि सभापतींनी याची गंभीर दखल घ्यावी आणि या संदर्भात
Speaker, the entire premises of Vidhan Bhavan comes under his jurisdiction. The Speaker will be expected to take very strict action against these people who indulged in a fight inside the premises. Strict action will be taken. The way people gather in large numbers inside the Vidhan Bhavan
है कि अनेकता में एकता हमारी संस्कृति सभ्यता हमने हमेशा बरकरार रखा है। और आज जब आप हाथापाई देखते हैं सदन में, अफसोस होता है क्योंकि ये सभी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स हैं जनता के। नेता और उनके कार्यकर्ता को ये समझना चाहिए कि कैसे पेश आए सार्वजनिक जीवन में। और रही बात, इफ वी कॉल पार्लियामेंट द टेम्पल ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, विधान सभा इज द टेम्पल ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी इन महाराष्ट्र।
Well, Arunil connected with us. Arunil, good morning. Pretty dramatic there. Pictures, that has been coming in from the State Assembly. Of course, this happened within the premises itself. Action, has that been initiated? Because the Chief Minister has condemned it, but both sides have been blaming each other.
Well, dramatic as well as shameful one has to say, Amita, because the Vidhan Bhavan is a place where MLAs, elected representatives from Maharashtra, as well as MLCs, they meet there to discuss people's issues. And what transpired late evening yesterday was a WWE style fighting contest that took place inside the Vidhan Bhavan premises. One side was Gopichand Padalkar supporters, who was a BJP MLC. Other side was Jitendra Awad's supporters, who was a Sharad Pawar NCP MLA. Now, there is a history to it as well. What happened is there was a friction that developed between these two leaders, Awad and Padalkar. Awad, in the premises of Vidhan Bhavan, openly called Padalkar as Mangal Sutra Chor. Immediately the next day, Padalkar blocked the car of Awad and threatened him with dire consequences. And only within a day we saw this WWE style wrestling fight that was seen inside the Vidhan Bhavan premises. CM Devendra Fadnavis has said that action definitely will be taken. It comes under the jurisdiction of the Speaker. He has requested the Speaker to do so. And today itself, we hope that some kind of action will be taken against this goon-style political worker fight that took place. Jitendra Awad last night blocked a convoy of cops as well, requesting more arrest of Gopichand Padalkar's workers.
Oh, that has gone to another